Hello and welcome to this video. In the last video, we learned how to create um, sports certificates using this data. So in this video, what we'll learn how to save these files as PDFs. I just will recap what we did. This was our template. From this template, and here is our data. From this data, using this template, we created individual certificates. If you look here, Atisha, Leela, Kalpana, and so on and so forth. So it has created this. Um, so just we'll recap what we did last last video, and we'll create PDF this video. Just we'll look at the code which we wrote last time. So it, just a glance of it, and we'll come back to our video. Yeah. So it created these files. So now using this output, we want this sheets to be saved as PDF. All the students' sports certificates to be saved as PDF as a soft copy. You can save it as soft copy later. You can take print of that soft copy or mail it, whatever. So let's see how we can create a soft copy, the PDF using the macro. So go to Alt F11. So we'll create a new code to generate a PDF of those sports file. So give some meaningful name. Let me give some name. Subject save. I'll say save sheets as PDF. Sheets PDF. Yeah. Now we'll declare some variable total sheet and PDF name. This will be our two variable. Okay. Now total sheet, as we know, to find out how many PDFs it needs to create. So I'll say total sheet is active workbook sheets.count. Okay, active workbook sheets.count. So it will count how many sheets are there in the current workbook, and that will be assigned to this variable total sheet. So now we'll loop through the students to create the PDF. So while the I is in variable from 3 to total sheet. Why 3? Because first and second are our first one contains the data per sheet, Alt F11, okay, and second sheet contains the template. So we don't want to print those sheets. We want only the students' details, certificates, which is from sheet third. Okay, from here onwards, it will go till the last sheet. That's why we give sheet from 3 to total sheet count. Yeah, so it will ignore the first and second. So sheet I, so initially it will select the third sheet, then fourth, then fifth, until the last one. Select the within this loop we need to write. Okay. Sheets select, then our PDF file name will assign PDF file name, will give a sheet roll sorry, serial number I minus 2, because I initially it will be 3, So we want from 1. So 3 minus 2 is 1. And next will be 4 minus, it will keep coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 1. We can directly give the name, but if there are two names with this, two sheets, two students with the same name, it will override the previous one. So we don't want that one. So to make a sheet unique, we're giving a serial number. So even if there are two Rohin or two Sadikas, it will not override. But if you don't give sheet, we just take the sheet name, the name of student. So for example, here Leela, there are two or three, so it will overwrite every time a Leela file is created PDF. So we want sheet number or indexing, then Leela. So if there are three Leelas, also it will not overwrite. Okay, that's the only reason, or else we can just give the name. And if you know the names are unique, you can just ignore the serial number. And we'll add is joining the strings. It will give then underscore and range. It's in A4. The names you saw the name. It is in A4. Text in the A4. Okay. So if you see here on A4, see here. This is A4. So we are picking the student's name. So that will be our PDF name. 1 underscore Leela. 2 underscore next student name. 3 underscore next student name. So it will continue till the last. We forgot to put and say ampersand to join the strings. So yeah, yeah. Now we have assigned the folder file name. Now we'll save the file name as we so sheets. I select sorry export as fixed format. And what kind of type we want? Type is PDF. Okay. And we'll give a particular path. Here we have created a folder under C sports certificate. So we can give this path and backslash, close the bracket, and we want PDF name and extension will be .pdf. And that's the code, and it will create PDF file. Okay, now you see this folder is empty, so it will create a file. Let's go here, Alt F8, press Alt F8 to trigger uh, the codes. So we can see the number of macros in this one. Generate certificates already run. We have run this one. So in the previous video, you can look into this. I have explained on that. Now we'll save this uh, into PDF, and I'll select this one and say run, and it's start saving in the folder. You can look into the folder. If you see, it will start saving in the folder. See, it has created PDF, Atisha. So one PDF is created, so it will create rest of the PDFs. We'll just wait for 1 minute, and you can see all the files created. It's creating the second file. In the meantime, while it's creating, we'll see how the output file looks. Just open this file. Here you can see yes, the file is opening here. If you look here, we can look this at certificate of achievement. This certificate is awarded to Atisha for participating in long jump and securing first prize held at KVNAL on 26 July 2022. We appreciated participation and achievement during the event. Sports coordinator principal. You can save this as a soft copy, or you can take print out anytime you want. So this is how we create PDFs, and it is created. So it will create the all the files. Yeah. So it will keep creating the files. So this is how we create PDFs using the code. Hope you liked it. Please like and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Until next video, it's bye from Saronan.